So I don't want to break the tiles, but I think they've used over a lot of silicone. But I can't find anything on the internet to help me. Man, this doesn't feel right at all. I really did think these two rings would unscrew or something, but they certainly don't. Well, it was getting to the stage where I was beginning to doubt myself that I was doing the right thing. But look at that. Boy, that took some getting off. Anyway, hopefully now getting the valve out should be the easy bit. But that was certainly a lot more trouble than I thought. It would have been a help if I'd have installed it, because I would have known what was going on. So I guess the moral of the story is, when you install these things, just a little bit of silicone around there, because I really didn't think I was going to get that off. I'm sweating there. Anyway, I hope that helps you guys. Thanks for watching. Ta-ra.